but it's not about making more money. It's about keeping poor people poor and rich people rich.
Hey yo, this might sound dumb, but listen to this.
The dumbest question I've ever asked myself, I said, well, you know, how much does the earth cost?
It's not a bad question.
But
how much is the earth worth?
It's saying we can't buy it. We couldn't make enough money to buy the earth, right? So if money is the key to all people's happiness and will solve everything and everyone's doing things for money, let's just make more money. But it's not about making more money. It's about keeping poor people poor and rich people rich, keeping people in their place. And right now we're experiencing the fall of Rome, or the Titanic has now hit a glacier. And there's people who would prefer to go down with the Titanic than to get on a lifeboat because they don't want to get seawater on their dress or on their nice outfit. People are so programmed and brainwashed that it's difficult for people to embrace innovation unless it has a tag on it that's got a name brand connected to it that says, with this innovation, you will be better than the person, you'll be better than your next door neighbor.
Break out of the matrix programming. Let's go.